welcome to the news item. And we can't guarantee at this stage that this is going to be every month, but we're going to try and work towards that, and it's going to be part of a bigger drone show that we're working on. Details to follow shortly, but that's the news regarding this channel. But there is a new startup, and the reason why I think it's worthy of note is because it's a little bit different. It's called Aerowood. It's a new startup that's been funded through Indiegogo, go, and there's a link below which allows you to get a 20% discount if you go and buy one now. Just don't forget to tell them that you found out about them through Lifestyle Unleashed. That would be really appreciated. Anyway, the thing about this that appeals to me is that it's not just a drone startup. They make their drones frames out of wood, and this is good from an educational point of view. You learn about structures, you learn about wood, you learn about the electronics as you install them into the quad, and you also learn, as I said, about structures. So it's great from an educational point of view. By assembling it yourself, you're less likely to smash it straight into a tree because you're going to look after something that you've built yourself. But more importantly, these are the sort of things that, as say a teenager doing something with a parent, these are the memories that stick, and these are the life lessons that you learn that go on with you in life. And that's why I think this is a fantastic startup. As I said, the link's below. You can purchase it through right now. It's just started, and I look forward at some point in the future to getting one ourselves. At the moment I'm funding everything myself, so it's a bit in the air, but when I can get hold of one I will buy one and we will assemble it and do a review on this channel as well. But I just think it's a great idea because the educational value as well as being a usable drone at the end of it. Another giveaway is by our friends at Freewell, and I'll put the link for that below. It's a Mavic 2 Pro giveaway. I'm not sure if it's the filters or the quad itself, probably the filters because that's what they deal in. But anyway, there's a link below. Don't forget again to say that Lifestyle Unleashed sent you, and good luck with that. And that is pretty well the news for today. Thank you for watching. Click on like and subscribe, and if you want to be really fantastic, go to www.patreon.com/nwin, which is how I hope to start funding the purchases that you will see on this channel. Also, we've started a wish list as well on Amazon, so you can see that below. If someone's really wealthy and wants to help us, we will do reviews of the drones that we get through the wish list as well. So thank you for anyone that supports us, and again, just by watching we appreciate it.